Good morning.
Well, this is Dipanshu Gupta before you. So do you know guys for what I'm here? Yes. Can anyone tell me please?
For presentation.
Give a big hand to him. Today I'm here to give a presentation on a topic. My topic is no enthusiasm, no life. So shall I start guys? Before going further, I would like to express the feeling of greatest painter Maqbool Fida Hussain. Do you know guys what he says?
No.
So let me tell you. He says that I never counted my age. Whatever comes good before me and whatever feels good to my heart, I impart it. People have made me famous, but still I'm a person who likes to have khichdi and tea of Irani restaurants have attacked me a lot. Adolescence and zeal, and these are the matter of heart. Enthusiasm has got nothing to do with age. What work is in your hand, just do it with full enthusiasm. Sooner or later, result will always come. Folks, there are many people around us. As they come, a smile comes on their face, and atmosphere fills with enthusiasm and happiness. On the other hand, there are many people whose presence makes no difference. On the contrary, atmosphere get upset and discouraged. Do you know guys what is the difference between?
No.
Oh, come on guys. No. So let me tell you, the reason is enthusiasm elements. Folks, enthusiasm is a thing that makes difference. Enthusiasm is not dependent on money, physical stamina and age. Just keep it with you, it will help you as fuel while climbing on the stair of success. Now I would like to describe my next point. My next point is so folks, I would define it with a wonderful story. So would you like to listen to this story?
Yes.
Once Lord Ram was getting a bridge built to attack over Lanka. There was a squirrel who used to wallow in the river and fetch the sand and pour that sand on the pile of sand. There was a monkey who told it to Ram. Lord Ram asked her, "What are you doing?" She replied, do you know guys what she replied?
No.
She replied that preparation to get victory over Lanka. Lord Ram said, your mere particle will make no difference. Then the squirrel replied, I don't know, forgive my words, I don't know that my mere particles are small, more or less. But I am contributing myself with maximum efforts. Lord Ram was spellbound with her enthusiasm. He ran his hand over her body. It is believed that three lines over her body is imprint of Lord Ram's hand. Folks, work is not small or big. The difference is that enthusiasm and dedication. If you are enthusiastic and dedicated towards your goal, you can achieve your success. Many people, enthusiastic people, keep achieving their new heights of success since their old age, childhood to old age. Now, I would like to tell you some names who created history at the early age. So, do you want to listen the names of their person?
Yes.
First, Napoleon, who hoisted the flag over Italy at the age of only 25. Second, Martin Luther, who became great social reformer at the age of only 21. And Sir Isaac Newton, who did his first invention at the age of 21. And now you all know guys, our greatest cricket star Sachin Tendulkar, he became greatest cricket star only age of 18. Now my next point is folks, you may have listened on advertisement on TV that 60 years old are 60 years young. People like Devanand, APJ Abdul Kalam, Maqbool Fida Hussain, they were very enthusiastic and dedicated. They had fire on their belly, passion and craziness. Guys, have you ever seen auction? Yes or no?
No.
In the auction, bid such a way that audience get excited and they are able to sell their products above the actual price. Now just imagine guys, if bidders are lethargic, discouraged, will he be able to sell his products above the actual price?
No.
Yes, you are right. No, he won't be able to sell his product. The crux is that be enthusiastic, because it is a difference that makes the audience excited. Now, my next point is folks, once again I would like to define this topic with a wonderful story. Once a kid was selling watermelon in the streets in the city, but he was very disappointed that it was 3 days since he couldn't sell even a single watermelon. His mother had been noticing him and told him, if you will sell watermelon in this lethargic way and discouraged way, who will buy? Remove this lethargicness and laziness and develop enthusiasm, then you will be able to. Then he liked the idea and he went the next day to the city and he started selling his watermelon. He said, watermelon, very tasty watermelon. Sugar and sweet like sugar and guaranteed watermelon. You may have never had this type of watermelon because it is only found in other side of river. Then he got surprised that people were buying his watermelon even he was charging extra money. The crux is that guys, be enthusiastic towards your goal. Start learning that work that you do. If you don't want to do that work, stop them. Because every work is incomplete that is done by without any interest and enthusiasm. Now I would like to define my next point. My next point is do more than expected. Guys, this point I would like to define with a wonderful story. So would you like to listen to this story?
Yes.
Once interview was going on, world largest diamond company De Beers for post of marketing. After all rounds, 5 candidates were selected. Then company people asked, how much salary do you expect? Then 4 of them said only 1 lakh we expect. But 5th of said that I accept 1,50,000. Then interviewer asked, if all are ready to work on only 1 lakh, so why are you demanding 50,000 more? Then he said, do you realize what he said?
No.
So let me tell you. He said that 1 lakh as ordinary person and 50,000 for my enthusiasm and passion. I will never you come back disappointed. If you will say, if you ask me to work 24/7, I will give result to you happily. He was selected, he was got his job and his enthusiasm passion impressed the officer. Guys, once research was done in Japanese university and it is found that laziness people eager to commit suicide and eager to kill anyone. If they log for some movements, negative points go away. Folks, nowadays we are becoming such mechanized that we don't that we don't get happy on the happy matters and we don't get sad on the sad matters. On seeing these bad environments, some intelligent people open laughter club and crying club, and these clubs are spreading everywhere. And the people join them club and they love every movement. They love by dancing, they love by crying, and they become very good person and they can face their life with a very enthusiastic way. Now I would like to place some gold policy lines. So would you like to listen that points?
Yes.
The point is, whatever work you do, just do with full enthusiasm and dedication, and never the circumstances which are not under your control, stop trying on them. And the most important point is nobody like company of bad person, lethargic person and discouraged person. So I would like to end this topic with this gold line. So thank you so much.